Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Chioma. So in today's recipe, I will be showing you how to make this mouth-watering and delicious spaghetti jollof. So if you really want to see how I made it, keep watching. But before then, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please kindly hit on that red place that says subscribe and also turn on the bell beside it. This way you get notified each time I upload any video. Now let me introduce you to the ingredients. Okay, for the ingredients, I have one yellow, green and red bell pepper, and I also have one carrot, and this is leek. This vegetable is called leek. I will also be using it, and this is how it is. This is how the vegetable is. Okay, for the protein, I will be mixing beef and chicken. And here I also have 2 large bell pepper, onion, plum tomatoes, garlic and ginger. I will be blending all these together. And for our seasoning, I have black pepper, onion powder, paprika, rosemary, thyme, curry and garlic powder. And we also have our seasoning cube and salt. We also have our spaghetti. So I'm done cutting the meat. Here I have it, and this is the way I cut it. You can see. Okay, now I'm going to season the meat and marinate it. I will also be leaving the list of the ingredients that I used in this recipe in the description box below. You can also feel free to check it out later. I will add salt. And to the chicken, I will be adding half notch chicken seasoning cube. To the beef chicken seasoning cube, I will be adding a little oil. I will mix everything thoroughly. After that, I will keep it aside. The same also goes to the beef. After mixing it well, with a plastic film, I will cover it and allow it to marinate for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Now I will start to cut and prepare our vegetable. I will start with the leek. And I want to use this opportunity to say a very big thanks to my new and returning subscribers. You guys are the best. Thank you so much for always dropping by. But if you are still watching till now and you have not yet clicked the like button, please do me a favor by clicking that like button and hitting the subscribe button if you have not yet subscribed to my channel. God, how beautiful this is. And here we have our vegetable beautifully cut. Now I will go ahead and blend our tomato and our pepper. I'll just add a little water. I will now start the frying process. I will go ahead and add my olive oil. I'm using olive oil, but feel free to use any oil of your choice. Now I will add the onion. Now I will go ahead and add our marinated beef. Okay, now they are now well fried. I will be taking them out. In the same oil, I will also go ahead and fry the marinated chicken. So to a clean pot, I'll go ahead and add the oil we used to fry the beef and the chicken. I will add onion. I will now go ahead and add our vegetables. To that, I will add a little salt. Now I will just mix everything together. Wow, do you see how beautiful they are? Remember, we don't want to overcook our vegetable. We still want it to be crunchy in the spaghetti. Okay, at this moment, I will go ahead and take out our vegetables. And here we have it. You see how beautiful they are. I will now go ahead and add my tomato paste. Okay, our tomato paste is now well fried. I will go ahead and add our blended pepper and tomato. I will cover it and allow it to fry. Okay, now to our salted boiling water. I will now go ahead to add our pasta. And I will be cooking the spaghetti al dente. Okay, our pasta is done cooking. I will drain the water and keep it aside. And back to our tomato is now well fried. And I will be taking out some of the tomato. When I need, I will just add. Half of the Knorr seasoning cube, salt, and I will stir it. I will go ahead and add a little water. Okay, at this moment, I will go ahead and add our pasta. Go ahead and add our chicken, our fried chicken, our beef, and our vegetables. I will just cover it. In less than 1 minute, our pasta jollof is ready. Yeah, finally, I will be garnishing it up with our spring onion. And that is it. We have our pasta.